kitchen, and I have a fly that's going to drive me nuts. Today we're going to be making, I was going through my recipe box and I found a recipe for what's called American Goulash. It has nothing but the ingredients on it, and it's a little bit different than I've ever seen before. So we're going to be making American Goulash. So first off, I have 2 pounds of 80-20 ground beef. This is usually Tony's job, but I'm going to break it up a little bit. It also calls for an onion, which I'm going to use a large onion. And a bell pepper. I found that whenever I buy bell pepper, a lot of times, I buy them and then I don't plan on using them right away. And a lot of times they get bushy and gushy because I forget to cut them up. So Walmart has these, which is a 10-ounce bag of chopped bell peppers for the same price you pay for about 1 bell pepper. So I'm going to add these. I'll use about half a bag. And I'm going to season it with just some garlic powder. And I'm going to cook this down and let it brown the meat and let the onions and peppers cook down. And then drain it, and we'll bring you back for the next part. Okay, I did add salt and pepper. It wasn't in the list, but come on. Alright, here's where it gets a little bit different. It said to add a 32-ounce can of tomato juice. Well, I buy the bottles, and I like to buy the vegetable juice, the P8, but I buy the Great Value brand. So we know 32 ounces is 4 cups. Now, here's where I change it up a little bit. It called for a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Walmart has a Great Value brand of fire roasted tomato salsa. So I'm going to use that in here. Okay. And then 2 cups of elbow macaroni. So I'm going to stir this together. And I'm going to put the lid on it and let it start cooking. And when the macaroni's done, we'll bring you back, because there's one more step. Alright, be back shortly. Okay, as you can see, all the juice is cooked out of this. Now for the final step, grated, shredded Parmesan cheese. It called for a 1/4 cup, but, my cheese. I'm sure you can use the powdered stuff too, but why? Alright, I'm going to meet y'all back over at the bar and we're going to plate this up. Time to eat. Okay guys, What I fixed with this is my copycat Western Sizzler cheesy bread. I did add garlic powder to it. I will provide a link at the end because I made this several months ago. It is so late here. We took a nap and that's all she wrote.
Yeah, because of that.
Because of, oh yeah, because of the, which y'all won't see until Friday. So. Alright guys, our American Goulash is done. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And when you do, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Share this out on your social media. Give me a comment and give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, supper's ready. Bye.